today?
Lovely.
Lovely. And so we're jumping together today, and you have your family here. That's awesome. Why are you guys jumping today?
Because we can.
Christmas
present.
Awesome. Yeah. What a great Christmas present. What a great Christmas present. So how y'all feeling? Nervous? Excited?
Great.
Ready? No nerves. You guys are great. This is no big deal. We're just going to jump out of a plane. Awesome. Well, we're going to go up there about 12,000 feet or so into that beautiful blue sky and just toss you on out. Is there anything you want to say to anybody before you go?
Love everybody. Thank you. Let's have fun.
Awesome. Anything you want to say? Anything you want to say?
Let's go.
Let's go. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Awesome. let me get some high fives here. One for you, one for you, one for you, one for you. Awesome. Awesome, I could hear you on the ground.
Oh my God.
Awesome, what was the best part?
Coming out of the airplane.
Yes, I love that part too. Awesome.
God, my heart stopped.
Awesome, and you didn't cry like a baby.
No.
You were a big boy, I'm so proud of you.
Big boy.
High five, thank
Awesome.
you.